Tomorrow, if you earn some foreign income, would it be taxed in Bharat? How do you determine that? For that, I'll have to determine whether you are a resident or non-resident as per the Income Tax Act. Because if you are a resident, then your Indian income as well as foreign income will be taxed in Bharat. And if you are a non-resident, then only Indian income will be taxed. Now, how do you determine this status? Namaskar, I'm CA Prathamesh Joshi, and today I'm going to explain you residential status as per Section 6 of the Income Tax Act 1961. Let me clarify that for income tax purposes, your residential status has got nothing to do with your citizenship. Even the foreigner can be a resident in Bharat. One more thing, in income tax, 1 year equals to the period from 1st of April to the 31st of March called the financial year, and this is not equal to a calendar year. Now, there are two simple conditions. If you satisfy any one of them, then you are a resident. Condition A. If you have been in Bharat for 182 days or more in the financial year. This condition is simple enough. Condition B. If you have been for at least 60 days been in Bharat in the financial year and have been in Bharat for a total of 365 days in the 4 preceding financial years. Let me take an example. For financial year 24-25, if you have been at least for 60 days in Bharat and, very important, and if you have been in Bharat for a total of 365 days for the period of financial year 2021 to 2024, then you satisfy condition B. Needless to say, if you do not satisfy any of these conditions, then you are a non-resident. Once the government decides you to be a resident, they'll bifurcate you into ordinarily resident and not ordinarily resident. Now, not ordinarily resident people get certain tax exemptions in terms of their foreign income. There is something also called as deemed resident, wherein irrespective of the days of stay in Bharat, you will be called a resident. And also, there are some exceptions to the rule that I just explained. Now, these exceptions and deemed resident conditions I have given at the end of the video for those of you who want to dig deep into this concept. So, the next time when you think of earning some foreign income, remember my words.